I'm going to continue my discussion from yesterday about how God connects through us. So yesterday I mentioned that when we feel things from the conscience, it's basically we're getting messages not from just something inside of us. It's actually because we are connected to God. What people in the Christian world and in the monotheistic world call God. But we also receive messages from Him through our thoughts and through our feelings. So that's how that's one of the ways. I mean, these are some of the ways that He speaks to us. He can actually speak to us in other ways as well, but we can go into that more in the future. But today, before I forget, I want to talk about the fact that God speaks to us so that we can be His hands here on earth. So we are basically His workers here on earth in the physical world to do His will. He is actually trying to lead us every day so that we can listen to Him and follow His direction. If we hear Him but we do not heed His messages because of fear or because it's inconvenient or something like that, then you still hear it, and many of us still hear it, but we forget it. We forget those messages. And then we refuse to actually heed His messages and basically do what we are told to do. So when we continue to do and listen to our heart and hear those messages that we are given and follow, the messages will become stronger and you can hear them more and more. But when we do this, it can lead to lots of synchronicities and many so-called miraculous events can happen. But we are conduits for God here on earth. And in the middle, so this has been mentioned in literature many times, such as The Lord of the Rings. There's a reason why the world of Middle Earth was called Middle Earth in The Lord of the Rings. It's because it was between the world of darkness below and the world of heaven above. And God in the Middle Earth world lives above. And so He was able to, he communicates to us, and we are influenced not only by God, but by the world of darkness below. So thank you for listening again, and I hope to get into more of this in the future. Thanks.